In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Bookings to Microsoft Teams. We're going to connect the Bookings app right inside Teams so you can schedule and manage appointments without leaving your workspace. This is great for support desks, consultations, interviews, or any scenario where people need to grab time on your calendar. Start by opening Microsoft Teams, either the desktop app or the web version, and sign in with your work or school account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and select Apps. This is the built-in app store for Teams and the quickest way to find the tools you need. In the Apps window, use the search bar at the top and type Bookings. You should see Microsoft Bookings appear in the results with the familiar calendar icon. Click it to open the details page. Here you can confirm it's the official Microsoft app and quickly review what it does, like creating booking pages and syncing with your calendars. Next, click Add. This installs Bookings to your personal view in Teams, making it available from the sidebar. After the ad completes, click Open to launch the app. If you ever miss the open prompt, you can also find Bookings later from the More Apps button in the sidebar. When Bookings opens, choose whether you want a new booking calendar or to connect an existing one. Pick New Booking Calendar if you're starting fresh for a team, department, or service. Choose Existing Booking Calendar if your organization already has a booking setup you want to manage here. If you don't see the calendar you expect, make sure you're in the right organization account and that you have permission to access it. If you're creating a new calendar, fill in your business name, select the business type, and add your staff details. Staff should be added with the accounts they actually use in Teams so availability syncs correctly. While you're here, it helps to confirm your time zone and working hours match your real schedule to avoid double bookings or odd times. When everything looks good, click Save. Bookings will create the calendar and get it ready for customization, like services and scheduling rules, which you can fine-tune afterward. To keep Bookings easy to access, right-click its icon in the left toolbar and select Pin. That locks it into your sidebar, so it's always one click away. You can also drag it up or down to reorder your view. If you don't see the icon, click the More Apps button to reveal it first. That's it. You've added Microsoft Bookings to Teams and you're ready to manage appointments seamlessly. If Bookings doesn't appear in search, your admin may have restricted apps or licensing, so check with your IT team.